What's up, traders? Let's do a quickly recap of the week ahead of the new week that is starting in less than 2 hours. We start with EURUSD. We see that actually the last 2 years Euro is just consolidating after the big drop that we have had during 2021-2023 from 123 down to 0.95 almost, and currently we are trying Euro trying to recover, but still there is another big move to the downside due to start. Okay, we can see we can mark triangles, or if you want channels. Okay, the important is that moving average is still pointing lower. Of course, the good thing for the bulls is that they hold 110. That also coincides with the moving average of 200 periods weekly. This is very strong moving average. We see that last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the past has given big rejections. This time it is holding longer than the previous time. This is weekly, so we see that we are more than 1.5 months above. So technically speaking, as long as we are above 10950, the trend remains to the upside. Of course, plenty of resistance ahead above 112 and 112.80. The July's high dictates. I don't know if Euro can break above. I don't think that will break above, because all the data pointing to big cuts that are coming for the ECB. Of course, currently market is focused on the Fed, but October is coming, and I believe ECB will have to decide. Okay, let's see cable. Cable pretty much same situation, a little bit more bullish. We are consolidating the same big move of the same period like the Euro, but we have reached higher levels. So usually cable always overreacts in the news, in everything, in comparison with the Euro. Currently we see that we are testing 134 big level, as we see in the chart. Here the same, almost same situation, 200 days, 200 periods average, moving average is providing support for now. So 127.50, we can say that that cable has 5-6 figures above. In comparison with Euro, we see the big outperformance. Okay, so as long as we are above 128, let's say, the bulls are safe. I believe another big move lower is coming, but for now the situation is this. Okay, of course, big resistance 136 area to the upside if we break 134. Now, what to say? USD yen. Those that are in our group and follow us, remember that we shorted almost the high 160 area. We got all this 15 figure drop. Currently I believe that we are testing a very strong support area. Also we see the moving averages here pointing to the upside, so another big move higher is coming next week's for the yen. Okay, Aussie, what to say here? Clearly in a downtrend, trying to make a base here and break above, but moving averages are very bearish. Of course, for the first week here we broke above 68.50, and as long as remain above will provide some support to the Aussie. Many news regarding the China stimulus, and of course the RBA, that is hawkish, are giving support to the Aussie. But despite all those support, I mean from the news and data, it is still struggling to move above 69. Okay, I believe another big drop at least to test 63, 64 is coming the next weeks for the Aussie. CAD, let me change, okay, to more clean chart. What to say here, a big consolidation. Okay, moving averages pointing higher. What to say here, big support 133, 134 and 139, 140 resistances. I believe we're having another move to the upside to test at least 139, 140. Even we see, of course, we go to the DXY. This 100 level is very tough, of course, big round number, psychological 100. What to say, maybe we see in another dollar route, selling route, to test the 90 area, 99 area. This pivot here, this 99.18 is a very big number. I don't believe we are gonna see any breach lower, but okay, we never know. We saw just recently a big swing in the expectations regarding the rate cuts from the Fed. We have had we went from 0 cuts until September to now market is expecting 200 points cut until the end of the year. I don't believe this is gonna happen, but what to say, I still expect another big leg higher coming towards 103, 104 at least, even if we are to break lower. It is currently overstretched, this dollar chart, the selling. Okay, indices, what to say, Nasdaq, we saw this week. Actually, Nasdaq is underperforming the S&P. We didn't make higher high, so typically we still are in an uptrend. Of course, we see the moving averages point higher, but I expect another retest of the moving averages just below 18,000. Now S&P, what to say, very steep rise, very bullish moves. Of course, we break above 15,700, and at least I expect another retest of this area below 5500 to 57. Okay, what to say, every dip is gonna find big buying pressure, so don't expect what the perma bear is telling you about 3,000, 4,000. Okay, gold, what to say here, the definition of uptrend. Those that are following us since last year, remember that we bought this low here below 1900, and I was one of the first that had 2,500 target. We surpassed it, of course. Now I still believe we are gonna have another test of 2,500 the next weeks, so be careful if you are buying this buying route in the gold. And I will close with Bitcoin. I know you like it. Everybody is very enthusiastic regarding another October bull run. as I see in the Twitter. Be careful, I still see another pump of 5 to 10% max for the Bitcoin. Maybe we overshoot to make a spike above 17,400 all-time high, but I see that another push lower at least to 45-50,000 is coming. Okay, so be careful, close your eyes to the perma bulls and be sensible. That's all, folks. Of course, you can follow us for more in our private Discord group. You find the link in the description and in daily Twitter feed.